Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Ciro phone mount available. The Ciro Smartphone GPS Perch Mount Holder without charger. Model number 50311. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast looking for a reliable and versatile way to secure your smartphone or GPS device, this mount is definitely worth your attention. Right from the start, this phone mount stands out for its sleek black finish and robust design, perfectly crafted to fit a wide range of motorcycles. Whether you ride a Harley-Davidson from 1982 and up, except for the 2014 and newer street models, or models from Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, Suzuki, and Indian, this mount is compatible. It fits clutch or brake perch mounts with vertical bolt spacing between 1-1/16 to 1-11/16, using the included bolts for easy installation. So no matter your bike, this mount adapts effortlessly. One of the most impressive features is its ambidextrous design, which means it can be mounted on either side of the handlebars. This is perfect if you want to position your device exactly where it's easiest for you to see and operate. The mount is designed to hold devices that range from just over 2 inches to 3.5 inches wide, so it fits most smartphones and GPS units on the market. Installation is a breeze. You only need to adjust the mount once for your phone or GPS, thanks to the intuitive Ciro ball mount design that allows infinite angle adjustment. This means you can get the perfect viewing angle every time, whether you want your device facing directly forward or tilted slightly to the side. The locking mechanism uses rubber-molded fingers that securely grip your device, and you simply flip the lever to lock it in place, making one-handed operation possible, which is a big plus when you're on the road. The build quality is impressive too. Although it's lightweight, weighing practically nothing, the mount feels very sturdy and durable, designed to withstand the bumps and vibrations of motorcycle riding. The patented design ensures your phone or GPS stays secure even on rough terrain. Its dimensions are compact enough to blend into your bike's handlebars without being obtrusive, measuring 7.5 inches by 6 inches by 1.5 inches. This size provides a stable perch without adding unnecessary bulk. While it doesn't come with a charger built in, this mount is focused on being a solid, dependable holding solution for your smartphone or GPS. If you're looking for a charger option, Ciro offers other models, but this one is perfect if you just want a reliable mount without any extra features. For installation guidance, you can visit Ciro's official website, which provides clear instructions to help you get this mounted quickly and correctly. In summary, the Ciro Smartphone GPS Perch Mount Holder without charger offers a perfect balance of compatibility, ease of use, and durability. It's the best Ciro phone mount for riders who want a straightforward, high-quality solution to keep their devices secure and accessible. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Ride safe and see you next time.